Here's a different section. More foundry stuff. What else? Compound for woodworking lathe. Massive table. Is that drill press head? Probably. And I'm guessing these are the drill press tables. Oh, Watkins. No way! Is that a Watkins head? I have never seen a Watkins head in the US. That'd be a cool fix. That's another lathe. Oh, there's a crate. Foundry crates. Oh, I gotta take some of those. This is a wild one. Any snakes? Oh, that's so sad. Now the belt sander looks like a belt. It's Walker Turner. Nice cabinet. Is there anything good inside? Yes, because it's gone open it. It's just a Walker Turner. 4 ways. It's frozen. And this is Southland Rollablown. What is this? What are they? Full of eggs? What are those? Oh, wow, I think it's for a lathe. It's a tool post. It's a freaking tool post. I thought it was a... It's a tool post. Where are the heads for the Watkins? Oh, the table alone is neat. Is that one of those? No, just a heavy table. Alright. A bus. Apparently the bus is full of wood. Of course, somebody has been shooting at the bus. Right, let's see if I could get killed or not. Ow. Jesus, so much wood. Okay, some of this is good walnut. And it's dry in here. This stuff is dry as a bone. Okay, this is good stuff. Okay. It works. I think walnut. How far deep does it go? Pretty much deep. No. It is